Hi, my name is Beatriz and I'm a manufacturing engineer, and I support the flow meter production line. So I didn't always want to be an engineer. I knew, or growing up, I think at first I wanted to go into medicine or be a doctor or that sort of field. And then in high school, I was realizing I was really into math and science and learning about the different, I guess, careers and professions you can do with that, more STEM areas instead of just medicine. And I went to a conference in high school for women in engineering, and it had a speaker for each of the different types of engineering, kind of give her perspective and share what you can do with that. And I realized that it was what I wanted to pursue in college, because I knew I wanted to do something STEM related, apply myself with science and math. I really enjoyed physics in high school and those sort of classes, and knew that, or learned what I could do with those. And like the lifestyle career path appealed to me more than the path you would have to take for medicine. And I thought I would still get to really use the skills that I want to develop. My parents were really supportive of the path and the career I wanted to take. One of my uncles is a mechanical engineer, so he was very supportive in explaining what the different kinds were and what I'm interested in, and like which one I should pick based off of that, and explaining it more to me. I had supportive teachers and peers as well that I guess pushed me forward, but yeah, that's I had a pretty good support system in general. So I'm pretty young professional, just started. But in college, my second year, when I wanted to gain a lot of engineering experience and really throw myself into this career path that I wanted to go towards, I joined a club that was predominantly men, and really it was a robotics club where I worked on a lot of hands-on experience and gained a lot of background knowledge. And I think by just being okay with that, it was a different environment that I was used to, and just taking advantage of it and getting to learn those experiences, I think really helped push me forward in my confidence and just understanding. I got a lot more experience that you wouldn't get necessarily early on in your engineering degree by having those more hands-on projects. I'm shaping the world by bringing my perspectives and experiences to the engineering profession. And so what I do is I work on projects that expand our manufacturing capabilities and our efficiency at Yokogawa. So I'm just working on innovation, and I hope to continue to work on innovating the different industries in my career. I know in my career I've experienced men that will put you down or judge you for, or think you're just not capable just for the fact that you're a woman without giving you a chance. So even in those times where you do feel judged or feel hurt by that, just keep pushing forward, because you have a good, you're perfectly capable to do the same work if you put in the effort and learn the different skills and things that you need to succeed as an engineer. Just keep trying and pushing forward, even if you do have peers that will put you down. My advice to other engineers in starting out is don't be afraid to ask a lot of questions and really get to know other people in the company, as well as the engineering team, of course, but everyone outside, get to know people in the business department as well. And don't be afraid when you're asking questions. Maybe if you're thinking you don't want to be feel judged because you're a woman and you're not understanding something as quickly or something, and you're feeling the self-consciousness, which sometimes I do myself, but it's okay. You're starting out. It's okay to ask questions. Don't hold yourself back, and really take on a lot of projects, or take on a lot of tasks that you don't be afraid to take on the new work so that you can really learn and develop a lot of skills. Also, join some organizations that are in your industry, or Society of Women in Engineering, or just different organizations that can keep developing yourself professionally, where you can meet a lot of people in your field as well. My name is Beatriz Diaz, and I shape the world.